Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video for you which is going to be something different from what we normally film. I ordered something recently. This is a perfume that I found a great deal on. It is a niche perfume from the brand Rue Rance or something like that.
No, I don't know.
I will leave the name on the screen for you. And it was really affordable. I was shocked. I read reviews on it. They were really positive and I love the notes, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it and just open it on camera. So this is gonna be a first impression and maybe even a review. Maybe I will come later and update you how it wears, but basically I wanted to open it on camera and share with you first impressions on this perfume. Just kind of like a blind buy. You can open it while I talk.
Thank you.
You don't need it. And I thought, why not to film it with my boyfriend? Because you seem to enjoy how we style videos together, and it's better to test something with two noses than just with one. So this is the perfume. You can see it is new, not opened. This is how it looks. Very beautiful. I'm actually familiar with this brand Rance 1795 because my grandma bought me a really beautiful perfume from their line. It's called Eau Sublime or something like that. It was inspired by some, I don't know, like princess or so. And it was really fantastic. One of my most first niche perfumes. So yeah, now we are gonna just open it and spray it and just see what it is about. I'm excited if we are gonna like it or not. So yeah, it is very beautiful bottle. At least the bottle is super cute. I just want to show it to them. It is really beautiful, like royal, like from a princess or a queen. The bottle is really nice. It is
very
cute.
nice bottle.
And the presentation is also beautiful. The box is nice.
That's okay. Oh.
So that's all for the packaging, and now let's just spray it. So let's open it and spray it.
I'm not sure.
I'll help you. So,
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure. I'm not used to opening perfumes.
So this is like blind buy, first impression.
It's fresh. It's very fresh.
It's very fresh.
Yeah.
It is very fresh. It reminds me of something that I had back in the days when I was much younger. It is very fresh.
It's a little
delicate.
Aquatic, a little bit maybe.
Interesting. Yeah, I think it's aquatic. I think the notes on this one are citruces, lime. This is why I bought it, because of lime. Yeah. On Fragrantica, lime was the note that people voted the most for. So this is kind of like the most noticeable note in here is lime. Maybe because of citrus, but I smelled something so green and floral and crisp and aquatic, as you told.
Yeah.
That is actually because of wisteria or hyacinth or something like that. You know, this is this lilac-y bluish flower.
Yeah, I know the flower.
And it smells very fresh and aquatic and exactly as you.
But I don't smell any
lime.
Any lime.
Maybe,
I'm sorry.
Maybe the citrus, but I would even say it is feminine more, but it is kind of unisex. I'd say it's so fresh that it's.
Yeah, it's unisex.
You know,
it's definitely unisex.
It is something like Hardy Iris. Do you know you like it by Parfums? It also has wisteria and some aquatic notes. It has this aquatic vibe, and they are different, but there is some similarity, just the hint of something.
They're easy to wear.
They're very easy, every day.
Every day, yeah.
Like to work, this is such an inoffensive perfume to work that I have a feeling it will stay because it is not that soft and that it will fade away, you know. I think it will last, I can imagine.
I hope so.
Even though it is delicate. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not a bad blind buy.
No, there's absolutely no bad blind buy. It's a great one.
I didn't smell it. I have never smelled it, but I love the description. I love the reviews, and I thought, wow. I mean, like, I wanted something irisy, powdery, but fresh and clean and citrusy, because I don't really have fragrances like that in my collection, or not a lot of them. are like that. So this is just the perfume that was so cheap, and I mean just 50 milliliter, and I can wear it to work or something. This is just a perfume that is kind of like crowd pleasing, maybe.
Yeah.
It is just attractive. It is not like strange, right? What do you think?
Right.
Or how would you describe it? What would you tell?
The skin, it smells different.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
May you smell it?
Of course.
Here it is not as strong.
Here. Yeah.
On me it turns a little bit even floral and powdery. This is just a perfume that you can wear with a nice dress, or maybe even some beautiful outfit. Like, it is quite romantic, I would say.
Yeah?
No?
I wouldn't say that it's romantic.
So what would you say?
Oh, it's a good perfume for every day.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
Casual?
Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah.
Nothing mind-blowing?
No, definitely not. I'm sorry. No.
Would you give it thumbs up, like this or this? We are doing Jeremy style. He asked me in pity, is it this, is it this, is it this? So what do you tell? I would tell it's like pretty much there.
Yeah?
I mean...
It's okay.
I mean, yeah.
At least it's not bad.
At least it doesn't smell cheap or synthetic. That is what I like about it. Fresh, easy perfume.
No, but it's a really nice bottle.
The bottle is cute.
The bottle is it's a an eye catcher. I don't know. Eye catching. Yeah, it's very eye catching.
Yeah, it is. And I love it. It's kind of like royal and just like girly, and it would be a nice gift. I don't know, on Douglas it is on sale. It was really cheap. Because it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
No, I was just like, whoa, okay. And the more reviews I read, I was like, I really want it. Let's go, let's try. So, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, this is not really my type of a fragrance, but I love this uniqueness of aquatic florals. Aquatic powdery floral note is very rare to experience in a perfume, so I think casual, everyday, work type of a fragrance for me, and it is perfect for my outfit today, right? Look. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay guys, that completes this video. Let us know if you have ever tried out this perfume. By the way, I didn't tell you the name. It is called Eau Sublime by Rance.
Right.
It is, yeah, it is quite good. And that's all. If you enjoyed watching the video with us together, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out other videos with him. I will leave a playlist. I create a playlist with you.
Thank you.
It's called With My Boyfriend.
With my boyfriend.
Yeah. Anyway, that's all. Stay tuned and smell good, and we'll see each other in my next video, guys. Bye. Hi guys, I just wanted to check in and tell you that this perfume vanished off my skin pretty quickly, and I didn't expect that. So I told you it is long lasting, but now I'm checking in, telling you it is very soft, and it turns into this kind of like designer, clean, floral type of fragrance that my boyfriend actually told me after we filmed the video. So it's like, it's okay, it's nice for work, it was not that expensive, but I would never repurchase it. And that's all. Bye.